Okay, my dear friends, let me tell you very important things. You should have a vision in your life. Most of the time we are getting into all this kind of troubles, the health problems, the relationship problems and the financial problems and everything is because we don't have a vision. So first step to come out from all this kind of problems is to set a vision. Okay, set a vision of your life, what actually you want in your life. So that is the vision. And then you set a goal. Okay, you have a strong vision, then set a goal, okay, which is matching or aligned to the vision. Then after setting a goal, it is all about taking action. It is not about just action, like you need to take action with conviction. That is very important. Most of the time you will have a goal, you will take action, but you will not land up to the result. That is because you are not taking an action with the conviction. Conviction is very important, and I am sure when you keep doing meditation, you will have the conviction automatically coming to you. So many unwanted thoughts and things it will cut. It will lead you to the best direction. Okay. So dear friends, have vision. Okay, and if you want to know more about vision and goal setting and everything, I have my other videos in the website. Kindly go through that. Okay, so have strong vision. That is very important. When you have a strong vision, you will not land up to unwanted things. You will have a clear direction in your life. So when you have a direction, you will just move forward in that direction. Nothing else can come and attack you. Okay, so most of the time people are landing into problem because they don't have a vision or they don't have a direction in their life. That is why they are going in whichever way they want, right? So don't allow that. If you wanted to enjoy the wonderful life, which means first step is have a strong vision. Second thing is, once you have a strong vision, what you need to do is you need to set your goals in all areas of your life, your personal life, your professional life. You know, once you have a goal, you will set a goal, achieve. Set a goal, achieve. Interesting, right? What a wonderful life it is, right? Wonderful. So have vision, set your goals. And third one is take consistent action. Without action, there is no result. Okay, so always ensure that you are taking an action with a conviction. So when you do all this process, you will definitely achieve. You have a vision, you set a goal, you have taken action, you have conviction. So what else can happen? It can only give you the result, right? And if at all you are not getting the result, look at your strategy. Find out the best strategy. Look for the role models who have already achieved it. Okay. So when you keep moving forward in this particular direction, what will happen is unwanted things will not happen to you. You will not land up to, you will not become weak. You will only be strong. Okay. Then, what is the final step? So once you have your vision and once you clearly meditate, right, and once you keep taking a lot of action with the conviction and once you have the best strategies, you will only land up to a fantastic life. So follow all these things. Okay, follow all these things every day when you wake up. Okay, you should write down the goals of the day. What I am going to do today in terms of my personal life, in terms of my professional life. Have a notebook with you all the time. Write down your goals of the day. Then start the day. Okay, and night at the end of the day, analyze what and all went wrong. How can you improve that in the next day? Okay, this analysis is very important because you cannot take life for granted. If you take life for granted, that will also take you for granted. Okay, you will not achieve anything. So but when you have entire life under your control, like you are deciding what I have to do in a day. End of the day, you are analyzing, did I achieve it? If not, what went wrong? How can I improve? So when you live a life in this particular way, I am sure, my dear friends, you will have a beautiful life. Okay, every day you know what you have to achieve. Okay, and you keep on taking action. So you are searching for material, you are searching for resources to achieve your goals. What a wonderful life it is. What else you have to do in life? Keep doing that, right? And my dear friends, I'm sure all these minutes I was talking to you about how to strengthen yourself. Okay, so strengthen your health, strengthen your relationship, strengthen your finance. And again, when it comes to the finance, definitely have some activity. Either you get into a wonderful job or you get into business. Somewhere there should be money coming to you to take care of your entire financial needs. Okay, that is very important. As of now, you are not in a strong financial position, which means don't worry, which means from now onwards you take the best action. Everything, let it start today. Why can't it start today on a beautiful day of Women's Day, right? Be an independent woman, right? So my dear friends, we have a lot of courses from I Am for Women and Eminent Digital Academy. Do check out our website eminentdigitalacademy.com for all our training programs. We have a lot of training programs launched for women entrepreneurs. Every module will give you a lot of strength to move forward with the momentum. So learn the strategies, because you don't need to actually struggle for strategies. I have already structured in such a way that once you go through my course, you can start a business wonderful way, and you can also, if you're already into business, you can excel in your business in a wonderful way. So go through all our courses. Okay, so that's all about our today's video, and I'm sure you all learned the strategies to become a strong woman. So I wanted to see all of you as a very strong woman. Can I? Wonderful. So if you have anything to convey to, whether you like my program or you wanted to learn more from me, kindly write to me, info@eminentdigitalacademy.com. I'll be definitely going through your email and I'll be replying for it. Okay. So I wish you all the best. So enjoy the fantastic Women's Day. Next Women's Day, we should do much more things, right? Much more things for our beautiful women, right? So I wish all the best for all of you. I wish everlasting success. Take charge and see you all in another video very soon. All the best. Thank you so much. Take charge.